put this button one time to open the golf trolley. Okay, now let's introduce how to use the remote control. Put this button, double click to open the remote control. Okay, we have two modes to use the remote control. First, use the first mode, remote control. Okay. Okay, second, let's introduce the follow me mode. This is the second model. The golf trolley will follow the remote control holder within the range of 1.7 meter to 30 meter. If you want to stop, just put this button, the golf trolley will stop. If you want to the golf trolley continue to follow you, just put the button one time. Okay, the golf trolley will continue follow you.